Wow.
Whoa!
Oh,
What?
Whoa! Martian Manhunter! Hello guys, welcome to Indian Geek Society. I'm Nora Prince. With me is Harneet and
Hello.
our guest today, Varun. Not guest,
hello.
is part of the channel. And the final trailer is out for Zack Snyder's Justice League. Not needed, to be honest.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah.
If we combine all the teasers, the character
Yeah.
teasers, we have already got like 3 trailers now.
We've almost seen the like 20% of the film by
No,
now.
I don't think so.
Knowing the Justice League, which doesn't exist,
I
guys.
don't know what you are talking about.
Yeah, so I think
Yeah.
a lot of footage is released. I think it's fair enough that he's trying to say there's a lot of footage we haven't seen at all. So it's great to have new footage. It's great to watch this trailer. I'm very excited for this. So, but it was not needed. We are already hyped. So yeah.
More the merrier.
Yeah.
Dude. Bring
Yeah.
it on.
And we talked about it. It got leaked while people were watching Tom and Jerry, but it was
Oh, yeah.
taken down.
That is why I don't watch cartoons.
So that happened. Okay, and also the reviews are out, and they are pretty positive.
Oh,
I'm trying to avoid all those things.
Yeah, I'm also avoiding it. I have not looked about it.
Yeah, so reviews are coming out on I think Monday evening or something. The early reactions are out, like just tweets and all that.
Yeah, non-spoiler
And,
review of the movies
yeah.
are out.
Yeah.
But I'm right now
No,
trying
yeah,
to.
non-spoiler ones are out.
But now I'm trying to dodge YouTube as I was doing before Avengers Endgame. So
Yeah.
hope so I can do it.
Yeah. Also, Nerdistan podcast has put out a video on the reactions on the Justice League, Zack Snyder Justice League. So do check it out. Link in the description. And without any delay, let's watch the trailer. Also, guys, tonight we are doing the BVS live discussion. So do join us for that too.
So begins the end
That's a new shot.
for Darkseid.
I've never seen a being this strong.
Okay.
Maybe one.
Oh,
He's back.
He's back. Yes, he is.
I spent a lot of time trying to divide us. I made a promise to him on his grave.
Yes, he did.
I need to bring us together. There are enemies coming from far away.
They serve an old power.
Oh, it's at the ship.
The world is divided.
There's Zeus,
No
right?
protectors
that
here.
is the old god.
No lanterns. No
Oh.
Kryptonian. It will fall in his name.
In his
Man, he
name.
looks. Oh my god.
Turn the worlds to dust. All of existence shall be mine.
Shit. Oh my.
I have a second chance.
Superman.
Waste it.
Wow.
Heroes will
Oh.
never come again.
Fighting the devil and his army. You know,
Oh.
Was it the Omega Beam?
Yeah.
Demons has fought
Yeah,
many
yeah.
hells. He's never fought us united.
Yes. Come on, Wonder Woman.
It's time to stand. Fight. The time is now.
What?
Oh, Martian Manhunter. Dude, they're doing Martian Manhunter. Oh my god.
That was too much to handle.
Oh shit. I feel this was a very different cut, a very trailer cut. I think the first trailer was kind of knowing it is a Snyder cut and putting emphasis on that being a very the first teaser which came out DC fandom with
Yes,
that
yes.
music. What is that called?
Mhm.
What was that music?
Hallelujah.
Yeah, Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, the
So I
song,
think
yeah.
the first trailer had that feeling, oh, for the fans, you're getting it finally. And this
Yeah.
one feels like a trailer for a film, irrespective of what it is, and very dark side focused. We saw a lot of, we saw the characters one by one. We saw the build up. We get the, what the story will be. You know, them coming together, fighting him, and all of that. Definitely a lot of new shots. I've put
Yeah.
it on loop right now on the screen. A lot of new things. Like we haven't even know. Was it Darkseid using Omega in water?
Like all I want to do
Yeah.
is right now is say all hail Darkseid and sit back and watch the movie. That's it. I don't want
Yeah.
to do anything right now. Like this
Yeah.
dude is so amazing. Like Thanos looks like his grandson or something like right now. Nothing in comparison to him.
This is like just, you know, Darkseid was not even there in the. Okay. That doesn't exist.
You know,
Justice League never came out.
You know what I feel
Yeah.
is we have always talked about like the villain should not be just evil. He should
Yeah.
not be just focused. He should have his own character arc
Yeah.
and why he's doing some things
Yeah.
and here I feel like they don't need that. They don't need a reason why he wants to conquer all the things.
Yeah.
He says that I just want to rule all the existence. That's it. There is no reason. There is no character arc. There is no childhood trauma or something. It's just I'm evil. I want to do this. Go to your home and you know what? I don't know. I don't care. I'm just evil. I'll do what I want.
Yeah.
So that kind of villains are sometimes refreshing also. You know, if you can put them out like this.
Yeah.
And I love all the things in this trailer.
Yeah.
There are some things that we have seen also, but we have a new perspective, a new kind of atmosphere going on about it. You know, the color grading is altogether different in this movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when they say,
Far
like,
better.
I haven't seen a being such strong except one, I was like, what? They're like Superman centric and Darkseid centric. All of everything else is secondary.
This
That's it.
shot of Superman, you know, in space.
Yeah,
Jesus,
this is a
Jesus allegory.
Jesus.
direct Jesus allegory, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, Zack Snyder loves doing those Jesus shots with Superman.
Yeah.
I like there were a lot in BVS and Man of Steel also. I think in this cut also there will
Yeah.
be a lot.
At 131, Varun, if you can go there. At 131, there's a shot of Bruce's waterside house, and it
Yeah.
feels like Superman with the cape. Someone is coming down, and he's coming out.
He's like the Michelangelo painting. You
Yeah.
have seen that?
Yeah.
Angels are coming down from the heaven
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of a.
Yeah. I don't know. Like there was a like cut scene. Everyone's talking about, you know, in the end of the film, Green Lanterns will visit Bruce Wayne in his house.
Yeah.
So I feel like
think
this
it could
can be that, but
also.
it
But Green Lanterns don't have capes, so
it can be Martian
maybe-
Manhunter. It can be Martian
yeah, it
Manhunter.
can be Martian Manhunter.
I don't.
And we
think so.
got a look with Diana Lane's, you know,
Yeah, do you
Martha.
remember I was telling you that that scene?
Yes, you told me that about that scene. Like
Yeah.
Lois Lane will visit
Yeah.
Martha, and it would not
No,
be Martha.
Martha will visit Louis
Yeah,
Lane.
and it
was
would not be
in-
Martha
But
at all.
it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it
So
will be
I think
when she comes out of the house, Louis
Yeah.
goes in back and he turns into Martian Manhunter.
Dude.
Dude,
So
they gave it.
I think
oh.
like that whole scene, like when the film had come out on as like Tom and Jerry on HBO Max, I think that whole scene someone had put up, but I was like that day I was on Reddit and I was trying to avoid it so much because everyone was posting that clip and yeah, it was like very hard, but I avoided it somehow.
Man, like, oh man, this is so much to break down in this one. But you know, the problem is if this would have come like a month or two ago, it would have been way better, you know.
Can you go back to the cyborg scene where his face was doing something when Barry was behind him?
Yeah, I think it comes afterwards.
I couldn't catch what the gist was of that scene, how his face was changing or something.
Yeah, it's at 202. Oh
yeah.
man,
Yeah.
Martian Manhunter is there.
I think is that
Yeah,
I
this-
think
this-
that
this
was
scene.
something related to Speed
He's
Force or
disintegrating,
Like 201, if you go there.
something? Yeah.
and
There is a-
It
go
looks
by
like
shot
the
of-
Flash is
go
in
frame by
Speed
frame. Go
Force.
frame by frame.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like Flash is in the Speed Force and something is happening and yeah. I'm actually surprised that the scene
Yes.
of Superman standing in front of his statue is like I thought that whole part is Whedon's.
No.
That was it.
Definitely not, bro. It was very clear, I think, in Whedon's cut also. You know, it will not be, you know, him holding Batman saying,
Do you bleed?
You don't let me die. You don't let
Do you
me
bleed?
live. And then do you bleed?
And he's looking like Joker
And
at
then
that
Bruce Wayne
moment.
is saying like, something is definitely
Big
broken.
smile. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
scene was so over the top hilarious.
So it
was
feels
bad.
like he's reversing the time. Barry is
Yeah.
reversing the time. You can
yeah,
see
it's all going back inside him. Yeah,
as if he was.
dude.
Man, this is so good. See, this is.
Oh, you should.
Oh man.
you should put this as the thumbnail of the
Yeah, this has to be Joker.
Joker scene. I actually missed it. I think I blinked and I missed it.
So these are the scene and them coming together.
But yeah, like some of the battle scenes, like I clearly remember being all orange in
Yeah.
the theatrical one.
The final fight.
Yeah. Also, I saw one of the reviews and they said there will be a lot of humor in the film compared to BVS and everything, and a lot of chemistry between the characters, which was not there at all in the
Yeah.
2 hour. It cannot be in 2 hour version. Man, Green.
You know the scene where he comes
Yeah,
on
that is, I
Themyscira.
think,
That
Yeah,
scene is
yeah.
so good in this trailer.
Yeah.
Like the slow
Steppenwolf,
motion
right?
and the
Steppenwolf,
Steppenwolf
yeah.
when it comes to Themyscira and to steal the mother box actually.
Yeah.
I saw that scene here, just a few seconds of it, and it was so great.
Yeah.
It was better than the whole Steppenwolf in the imaginary Justice League movie.
Yeah. So we have this ship again here. What? Then Darkseid. I think we get a dialogue from him also, right, in this trailer.
Yeah.
Him saying, "I've turned worlds." to
Is that
dust."
him
I
or is
think
that-
we'll see a flashback of him destroying a world because we see the a sphere, a planet is getting
Yeah,
destroyed.
so he has not become Darkseid, right?
Yeah.
In this scene, actually.
What's his name now?
I-
Something
I-
Desard or no, not Desard.
Desard, yeah.
No, not
from
Desard.
E.
Desard
I
is
think
the
it's
servant.
from E. Euclid, something like that. He's like destroy. I think it's on Earth, of course.
Yeah,
This is
it's
some
a
other.
different planet.
Yeah. Then Superman says, "I have a second chance." Interesting.
Another version of the first flight.
Yeah, this is just an epic
Yeah.
shot, man. This is, I think, Martian Manhunter. Then
What's this
Yeah.
scene?
no idea. I think he's fighting Steppenwolf, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Omega beams were too
Omega
good.
beams.
This
It's
makes
done
no
very
sense
good,
actually. Like, what is he doing here?
So he's firing Omega beams at the Atlanteans.
But it's when in the first war, right? The Great War.
Or
It
maybe
cannot be maybe
Maybe
In
it's the
recent
future or
time, right?
something.
Yeah.
Because he's Darkseid now. If you
maybe
see
the
his,
nightmare.
if you
scene or
see his
something.
costume or something,
Yeah.
he's Darkseid now. He has all the anti-life equation he wants.
So I think we should stop this because the film is just gonna come out in 2-3 days. So let's not get in too much into the film.
Yeah.
I think again, as I said,
almost just 3 days only.
yeah. As I said, if it had come out a month back, we would be like frame by frame. We did that analyze. So we did that, but still you'd have been more excited to it. But right now I don't want to because then you get a sense of, oh, this should happen like that, this should happen like that, and if it doesn't happen, you feel
I
cheated.
actually don't want any. If I don't want any spoilers, I don't want a breakdown at this point of time.
Yeah.
Of trailers as well.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't make any sense to put out a trailer like 3 days before the movie is coming out.
Yeah.
But they still did to create the hype, I
yeah.
suppose.
I read I saw an interview of Zack Snyder and he said, he's not happy with how the international distribution is working for his movie. And I think he also said he's not blaming Warner Brothers. He's not saying there's a conspiracy, but he's saying no one expected, there'll be such a demand for the film, even abroad, like non-US countries. So I think he's pretty not very happy with it. And this could have come out in theaters in India, but Warner
If
Brothers
we
is
can
not
have
saying
a
anything.
match at a stadium, we can have a movie in the theaters.
Of course. Theaters are open, 100% occupancy. So makes no sense. And also our video, a lot of people are engaging with what we talked about. It's coming on Book My Show and all. It still haven't. There's no news about other platforms. When they are releasing, what the price there. So whenever it comes out, we'll definitely make a video because people are enjoying it and they want to know that. So we'll definitely do that. And guys, BVS live stream discussion tonight. So do check that out. It's already out. Just put a set reminder and everything. And yeah, anything else you guys want to add? Pretty excited. I think this will be like our last Zack Snyder Justice League video.
So much of content. I think my main reason to watch this film is because I want to see like where he has taken these characters after BVS.
Yeah.
So like I think we both have talked a lot of times. I'm not that big of a fan of both Man of Steel and BVS. Like I think there's good, but there's also bad in them. And in this film, like he's like, especially this cut, not the non-existent cut, Like
Yeah.
in this cut, he is fully like he's having the full control. So what will which he did not have with both like the theatrical cut of BVS and Man of Steel. Like even like I think Man of Steel still, but
Yeah.
there was still like of course some. I'm pretty sure he had to cut back on some things.
Yeah.
But there's no like cut of it, different cut. It's
You
just
know,
that
I
like
think
that's just what
the
happened.
Justice
So,
League
yeah.
actually proved to be a good thing for Zack Snyder as well. You know, we don't know what he might have put out as
Yeah.
Justice League. No,
Yeah.
he would have cut some scene himself.
Yeah. And then
if
we would
he
have
wanted.
gotten Ultimate
And
Edition.
now we
yeah.
know what people don't like about the movie and what people wanted about the movie, and so he has the feedback he needs to create a perfect outcome. You know.
But I think he already, did already like 95% of the movies already he shot before.
No, I'm not saying short. I'm saying like the final cut, what Zack Snyder would have given us at that point of time, it might have would have been different from what we are getting
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. Definitely,
Yes.
definitely.
So the feedback helps in that sense.
I think, like, even-
Joss Whedon will get all the blame out of it, and Zack Snyder would get the feedback of what fans want.
Yeah,
actually.
definitely.
You know?
Also,
Yeah.
as you said, like if the movie had come out that time itself with Zack Snyder, it would be like 2.5 hours, but mostly.
Yeah, at
Or
most.
maybe 3
Yeah,
hours, most. And then the ultimate cut of 3 hours and 30 minutes. It would never be 4 hours because 4 hours was the assembly cut, which is like you.
And you know the new scenes that we
Yeah.
are getting with the Joker and
Yeah.
stuff, we would not
Yeah,
have
yeah.
got those.
I think for him it's like this is the final thing I'm doing.
This
Let's give the fans whatever I can.
There's a meta line in that as well, which Superman says, "This is the second chance."
Yeah.
You know, so for Zack Snyder himself, literally, this is the second chance
Yeah.
to give out what he wants.
Yeah, definitely.
And better.
Definitely. I think he said in an interview, Warner Brothers is not interested going forward with his vision, and they are not looking forward to doing Justice League and
You know,
anything like that.
I actually talked with you about this. Like they should treat it like a golden chance, and like what they did with the Justice League Dark Apocalypse.
Yeah.
And they should shut down the whole DCU right now with this movie if they can. I know they won't because there is Suicide Squad, and there are a lot of new things coming
Yeah.
about it.
Aquaman
But,
2 is going on flow shooting.
Yeah, so Flash movies
Even
coming.
Black Adam
sorry.
has started.
So
like,
they can, what they could have done is like give the final DCU movie with Zack Snyder's Justice League, and people would have been happy, and then start anew. Start.
But now it's all a mess,
No,
Yeah.
now it's all a mess. But the better thing would have been like give the fans what they want at
Yeah.
the end of it, and
Only
like, okay,
if Warner
we'll try to be
Brothers
better.
knew what better thing is,
No,
we would not
of
be
course,
here.
of course, those people are like experienced people, and they know what to do and what's better for
They don't
them.
know.
Actually, not for us,
don't
but
know.
for themselves.
Okay, guys, I think that will be it. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, share, subscribe, and do check out our live stream tonight. And a lot of content coming. We'll do the Zack Snyder Justice League full live discussion, so do join us for that too. So thank you guys for watching, and see you later.
Bye.
Bye.